Hello, welcome to this video. Today we're looking at Quizizz and a new question type that they've just released. So for those new to Quizizz, to create a quiz, we click on the create purple button on the left hand corner there, and we can choose a Quizizz or a lesson. The lesson allows you to have slides included within your question. So if you want to know more about Quizizz lesson format, click on the banner in the top right hand corner and you can watch my video on that. So we're going to dive into a quiz I've already created. So I'll go to my library, and I can see there's my quiz that I've started working on. So I've decided I'm going to do a quiz on F1 circuit locations. A fan of Formula 1, so I thought it'd be a great way to highlight the new draw feature within Quizizz. And here are some questions that I've already got. So I've got 2 questions and I've uploaded an image. So let's look at what that looks like. So if I click edit, and I'm going to add a new question. So you can see I've got all of the question formats that I'm used to, but I've also now got the new draw feature. So I click draw. It lets me have 2 choices. I can have a blank one where students would literally potentially just draw or write on the whiteboard their responses, or I can upload an image. So I'm going to use the upload image option, and I've got a choice to drag and drop one from my desktop, or I can search for one using the image search feature via Google. So I'm going to search for map of Europe, and I can find the map I want, and then I can insert that. But I could as easily found an image on my desktop and upload it. So I can then put in my question. Oh, I also have to spell it right. So I've got my question there, and I'm ready to go. So if I save that, I've now got my 3 questions. So if I save, so that's all saved. So I can have a go at previewing that. So just click save. You'll find that there's a preview feature. So if you want to have a look at what it looks like, we click preview, and we can reattempt it, and it will show us what we've got. So we'll just wait for the countdown. So similar format, and you'd have your usual questions that appear, and instead this is what the students will see on their device. They'll see the image, and they'll have a little menu on the right hand side which allows them to choose a pen or a highlighter. They can alter the width of the pen tool, and they can choose the color. So I'm going to choose black, and then I can answer the question and go through and answer this. So Zandvoort is in Holland, so I can mark that on the Netherlands. If I'm not happy with my response, I can use the eraser tool and get rid of that, and I can do another response and mark it, and then hit submit, and it'll do the submit. And again, I can do the next thing, same sort of thing. I can alter the line, change the color if I wish. So Spa Frankenschotz is in Belgium, and the final one is Silverstone is in the UK. So I can click on Silverstone and submit. So I think it's a great addition to Quizizz. I think it could be used in loads of different ways. If you're teaching science or biology, maybe recognizing parts of the human body. If you're teaching geography, recognizing countries or specific regions of countries. There's so many different things it could be used for. A nice visual way of getting students involved. And if you just use the whiteboard feature, it could be a way of maybe getting them to draw a shape or something to use it with lower level students. So I hope you found the video useful. If you did, remember to subscribe to the channel and join me again soon for more EdTech videos. Thanks for watching.